Hi guys! Welcome to noSam Food Fest Tour. Yay! My name is Ndlovu, aka Sam, and today is a bit more respect in Chilla Nathi. Chilla Nathi is an event that happens at the beginning of every month. This is a place where you find all the good people, the good vibes, the good music, everything. So now I get ungeza so Chilla nawe. Before siyakwezinye indawo guys, please subscribe. Please subscribe on our YouTube channel. And yeah, ake manje ke siyohlangana nabantu abaphethe iChilla Nathi. You know, we want to know the brains behind iChilla Nathi. Who are these people bringing life into my respect? Hey, something. Nje ukuthi ungitshele kancane ngawe before siye iChilla Nathi ukwazi nawe.
Ndumiso Mthethwa from la eMaritzburg. Obviously ngisafika ngokusebenza la eMaritzburg but sesithola ekhaya. Married, 2 boys, 7 and 5. Yes, that is basically father and a business person. One of the founders of Chilla Nathi Cookout Experience. Yes.
Yeah, let's get to Chilla Nathi.
Yes.
I want to know what's the idea. Yeah, come on, like say what we're gonna do in the financial lands. I mean, you know who's not calling because it's inspiration. So I want to know what's in the land.
Okay, iChilla Nathi basically emanated from Amalenis Sabanao while we were doing iChilla Nathi concepts, because we actually Chilla Nathi sessions, because we launched it officially, I think it was in 2010, as just a purely entertainment, where we just provided entertainment for a band who come to the park on a Sunday. We did that for about 3-4 years. Then as Umuntu grows as well, you know, so you see opportunities, you see trends outside of Maritzburg. So we thought of saying, you know what, instead of just providing that kind of space, why not look at how we can add value? I think that's one of the most important things. That was, how do we add value to people that are attending to our events or that attend our events? Or, and how do we find a way of not just getting people here, but also for them to bring families, because, you know, we want to contribute positively to society. So, yeah, that is basically how it came about. So we did quite a bit of research and traveling, where we looked at other, you know, we benchmarked what we do versus what happens in Joburg versus what happened. We had a friend that says that's down in Cape Town. She gave us feedback as to, you know, what's the current things that are happening in Cape Town in terms of the eventing space. So over and above that, you know, prompted us to change the way that we were doing our events. At the beginning, yes. So that ultimately gave birth to Chilla Nathi Cookout Experience, where we are now. We sort of retained the picnic side of it. However, we've added an enterprise development aspect to it, where we give a platform to local businesses of Maritzburg and surrounding. Feel free to interview the vendors that we have. I think we're expecting about 45 vendors today. Just to give you a bit of context, ever since we've started 2017, I think we've cycled about, so it's more than 800 businesses that have actually traded with Chilla Nathi Cookout Experience. We deal with about 10 to 15 suppliers at a time. We don't own anything, so it's all about empowering other people through the platform that we've created. So it also boils down to passion more than anything. Yeah, because it's a change.
Passion.
Absolutely.
Yes. And now I need to go and have fun. Thank you so much for allowing me.
Yes, thank you so much. Yeah, enjoy yourself.
I wanna chill. I just wanna chill. I feel like Jackie now. I just wanna chill. I feel like you now. I just wanna chill. I just wanna chill. I feel like you now. Jackie now. I wanna chill. When I'm done, I wanna chill. chilling with the guys, Sugar Water Squad. Damn, why you go so hard, ayy? We got them open, all the doors they drop, ayy. No, that's the hustle that you just can't knock, ayy. I'm undefeated trying to...
So much for your food. I really enjoyed it.
Yine number yami, bangathola phone number yami 079 329 61
Thank you so much. So guys, I just tasted ukudla fast food mamas, and it's really nice. I like the chocolate yabo, it's very spicy, and also the garlic roll yabo na ibimnandi, and the wings. Yeah, it was great, guys. Manje yasambe siphinde siyokimba noSam kwenye indawo futhi angazi yeah.
I wanna chill, ayy. I feel like you know. I just wanna chill, ayy. I just wanna chill, ayy. I feel like you know.
Okay, my favorite is the chicken kebabs. Wow. Alright, wow, that was okay. It's so nice. It has some, I think it has, I don't know, but it's sweet chili. I think it's sweet chili. I really love it. It's nice. And because it's fun with the chicken kebabs. I think it's because it's chicken, but this one is a bit sweet. The wings are sweet. And guys, this is my favorite. Thank you so much for putting away and I really enjoyed my chicken kebabs. They're the best. Thank you. Yeah, thank you guys.
We cater. People know us from around, and then that is how but we don't have a formal business per se. So we cook from home, and then yeah.
So you cater for my birthdays,
weddings, small functions,
also on Facebook, Instagram, phone number.
There is a Facebook. It's not a page. It's a personal account. Personal account.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of the day. So guys, we just had delicious kebabs from Coco's Eatery. They were so nice, so tasty, so delicious. Yeah. And man, I guess we are going in down.
My lovey, my jolly, jolly. Do you remember, babe? Do you remember, babe? Say lovey, lovey.
This is different from your normal ice cream. It's made out of the nitrogen. It's really nice though, it's really nice. Like, if you love ice cream, you're gonna love this with flavor. Yeah, I love it. Guys, self-feelers, it's happy. Siyahamba ke manje siyofuna ukwehlisa angazi siyaphi kodwa siyophuza la siyakhona sambeni.
Change when the demon is up. Now I see you in the distance. I'm speaking to the guys when they listen. Missing you with my feelings.
Tell me about your business. What do you do?
Okay, so we Dark Side the Brew. We've been running for 2 years now. We do everything on tap. So we'll go to music festivals, venues, weddings, corporate functions, and we do anything from flavored gin and tonics like strawberry and lychee to lemon and lime, to anything on tap, from craft beer to SAB beer, you name it, we can pour it.
Oh wow, that's nice. That's your slogan.
It can be today.
Oh yeah, it's a good one. Where can people find you?
Basically, we're on Instagram, Facebook. We do events all over South Africa. So we're buying another bus in Cape Town, another bus in Joburg. So we're branching out all over South Africa. And yeah.
Okay, that's really great. So now let's get to the taste.
Sure. So basically, as you guys can see, we have everything on tap. We have gin and tonics, we have cider, we have craft cider, and we have craft gin and tonic, craft beer. So I'll let you taste the strawberry and lychee. There we go. Good. Got Nandi, eh?
Yeah. It is Nandi.
Nandi, eh?
Yeah, it's not too strong, it's just perfect.
Good. You'll be smiling a little bit more a little bit later.
So guys, that's it on Monday. Siyahamba, sikathatha ijini yethu, mhlawumbe nawe uyayibona ihambe ne. Anyway, sengiyophinda futhi angazi ngiyowenzani, kodwa siyahamba. I'm so keen.
My lovey, lovey, my jolly, jolly. Do you remember, babe? Do you remember, babe? See, lovey, lovey, see, lovey, lovey. Under the sun, babe. Under the sun, baby. My lovey, lovey.